Happy New Year 2019. Good to see you again. In my last message of 2018, I had offered 6 free tickets worth hundreds of dollars to my next workshop, which will be held in this month, January 2019 in New Delhi. I had asked a question to earn those tickets, which is based on your personal growth. Do you have any plan for your personal growth? I got quite a good number of responses. Some are very powerful, but they are all towards the career growth. I thought, let me share something with you that can help you earn those tickets. That might help you add value to your leadership. This 15 invaluable laws of growth conveys that you have to be in a continual learning process. And believe me, the growth is part of that process. There will be trials and errors, but the key here is we don't have to make the same mistake again. Your ability to become a better leader depends only on how you respond. Effective leaders are always engaged in the paradigm of the learning curve. Learn it, live it, share it. That's what we keep on repeating in our last consulting. Learn it, live it, share it. Because growth makes a difference. Discover your own purpose and potential. Let me give you some insights where you need to grow in. You need to grow in self-awareness, your own character, your own skills, your relationships, and last but not the least, spirituality. To grow, you will have to put these laws into action and not just learn them. If this gave you some input, some clues, still have time. Do write me on the email given below. You can still win those free 6 tickets. See you soon. I shall be waiting for you. All the best.